Hey guys, we're at Mueang market in Chiang Mai and we're looking for the king, or Thailand's king of fruit, durian. So we're having a wander around today. Hopefully we'll find some. It's known as the smelliest fruit in Asia. It's not, you can't take it on buses or in hotel rooms, but we're going to find out if it is the smelliest fruit in Asia. Can you really believe that? I can't. Come on, let's have a look and see if we can find the durian on this market.
Now, durian is slightly oval in shape and it's covered in armor-plated spikes, weighing in on average about 3.5 kilos. Now what the vendors do, they cut like a V shape in the actual skin of the durian and open it up so you can actually test it by just pressing it with your finger to see if it's too ripe. Invariably they try and get rid of the ripe ones first, the ones that are overripe, and you can tell by just touching it, it's usually too soft. You just tell them you don't want it, and then you get another durian and they do exactly the same. They cut a V in it, open it up, and you test it again, and if it's suitable, you ask them to cut it up for you. Watching the vendors actually cut it up is absolutely amazing. I mean, these spikes are so hard. They use a razor sharp knife, and obviously they're very well practiced. They cut it open and then they find the individual segments of where the fruit is, and they very cleverly do not cut into the fruit. It's quite a skill that they've developed. It's absolutely amazing just watching it open, and there's the fruit, and obviously you can smell the durian everywhere, but I don't find it unpleasant. Now, durian is a superfruit despite the stench, and it's extremely healthy. It's natural in iron and vitamin C and potassium, and it helps improve muscle strength and skin health, and even lowers blood pressure. So I mean, this is an absolutely amazing fruit. There are about 30 types of durian in Asia, but Thailand is the biggest exporter of the durian fruit, mainly to China.
Amazingly, there's people on the internet, they can't eat this. They're throwing up, they're being sick, they're holding their noses. But you know, it just smells fruity. It doesn't smell bad at all. I think we need to give it a try. It's quite soft, it's got like a skin on. It's quite custardy, it's like a custard texture. Let's give it a try and see what it's like. Oh, awesome. Absolutely fantastic. It's soft, custardy, and has like a custard skin on the outside. So fantastic. The fruit actually tastes one of a kind. It's not unusual, it's not unpleasant, it's very creamy, it's soft, it's sweet. It's actually delicious. It's like a custard with like a custard skin on. It's really, really nice. So what we've got in this fruit, we have a stone inside. It tastes amazing. I can see why they call it the king of fruit. It's absolutely fantastic.
It's almost impossible to describe the smell and taste. I mean, travel writers have tried for more than 100 years and they're still not anywhere near. Anthony Bourdain, who actually enjoyed eating the stinky fruit, describes the aftermath of eating it in a classic one line. Your breath will smell as if you've been French kissing your dead grandmother. Amazing. Well done, Anthony Bourdain. Rest in peace. Don't forget, guys, please like and subscribe so you don't miss anything.